Stephanie.
Okay, my name is Elizabeth.
I'm Joey Sales.
Jesse.
Patrick Nathan Winnan.
I'm Yoshimine.
I like to sing and dance.
You like to text too.
I love to text. I'm tech savvy.
I text you a lot.
I text Stephanie so much. It's what we like to do.
Yes.
And then we could like to talk about other things like
Boys.
boys, birthdays. Mostly texts. And we like to do karaoke.
Yeah.
We like, watch movies and play Wii.
Oh,
Yep.
okay.
And we could like to party all night long. So that's our lifestyle. Right?
Yeah, it's all lifestyle.
Yeah.
Oh, I like to work on the Big Wave Farm.
And do some cooking. Maybe some bowling. Do some soccer.
I like to do everything. Get married,
You like to get married?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like to spend time with friends and with play video games, work out, write poetry. Most of all, on my free time, I like to volunteer at the Big Wave Farm when I have a chance.
My dream job is to act.
Mine is to be a firefighter.
Mine is to be a famous singer.
My dream job is being my dream job would be being in the kitchen, being like a chef.
My dream is feed my dog.
My dream job be mayor.
A mayor?
Yep.
To hopefully win the lottery and not have to work at all.
I like Half Moon Bay because I was born here, and I lived here my whole life since I was 13 years old.
That's all my friends.
Well, I like seeing my friends in Half Moon Bay.
I want to see the chickens.
I like Half Moon Bay because I want to see people out and do something, and I like do something and other people that like to do, and how about?
Half Moon Bay is a very small community, so therefore, as a result of it being small, I get to, at least for me, I get that sense of intimacy with a lot of the people around here, so therefore, I get a real strong sense of community.
No.
Yeah, sometimes.
No, not really.
That's a good question. I need to learn to slow down. Not angry.
Yes.
And it makes me feel like kind of hurt.
I feel sad, hurt, and been much lonely. And I need somebody, be with.
It made me feel discriminated against, but after looking back on it in hindsight, I realized that part of that disability is just part of who I am, and if people don't like me because of it, that's their problem.
My hopes and dreams is to be well and get rid of the disease and go on my life. And
Yep, like me.
I like you, and just hang out with my friends and I don't know, just be happy and travel.
We do. I love to travel.
I love to travel. But someday we're gonna travel.
Yeah.
Often dreams about taking care of the community.
My hope dreams would be living and living one, two, working in two places, Fairfield and New Leaf. I can do it every day and also my future dream goal are gonna be parents are not gonna happen.
To be able to live and work over at Big Wave, and to also with my to be able to help my friends and those other people at Big Wave to help realize their dreams and to fulfill their potential.
I like a Big Wave. It's a really cool big community.
Yep.
And you can have like dinner parties, movies, and like you can hang out with your buddies.
Yep.
And mostly like about Big Wave, there's gonna be dog preschool.
Yeah, dog preschool.
And work at jobs. I like about Big Wave I get to work
Okay.
and have my own apartment and
Wait,
get away
me.
with her and get away from my parents. Yeah, that's what I like.
Big Wave is gonna be a neat thing, and it's gonna be. I can see all my friends at Big Wave.
A big babe. We've got some cooking.
I like Big Wave, and some friends who work there and big you can run big shot too. Talk about work things.
The fact that it will be able to provide affordable housing and gainful employment to those people who've been looking for it for so long, and to make their dreams into a reality.
A Big Wave, I get to be a party planner, and about comes to me is the whole community comes to me, and we all get to hang
Yes.
out and do cool things like arts and
That
crafts.
it is fun.
Yeah.
Big Wave means to me I can be part of the community out there.
Big Wave is about having together, have our friends, have our friends and working each other, yeah.
A dream being fulfilled and becoming into reality for me and many of the other people I know and care about. And Big Wave, I don't even know where to start. I mean, Big Wave, it just brings so many, I'm sure will bring so much happiness to the lives of people I know and care about, and without it, I don't know. I mean, I don't know where we'd be. So it means future, it means hope, it means our future accomplishments, and so much more.
I would say that would be so breaking heart. You were like, that's too bad. You don't like Big Wave.
Yeah.
Because it's
So much fun.
It's so much fun, and it's so terrible you don't like it.
If they don't like Big Wave, I say, you know what? Just if we go onto the Big Wave website, it might show you some of the pictures. Like it's like what we're doing out there, like a lot of like reading and feeding like the chickens.
That's probably true. For me, I probably a place to live.
I would tell them what Big Wave stands for, and for who Big Wave what population Big Wave serves, and what it means to the population. And if people still have a problem with it, then that's not mine.
I like to see the big wave actually get built.
I do feed the chickens.
I like I do because I met nice girl I want, and I really to know her more.
Oh.
And so yeah.
Well, I hope if anybody is watching this interview that people will be who have further questions or questions about Big Wave, that they'll come and come to us, supporters of Big Wave, and ask us questions, and hopefully we'll love to tell them about Big Wave and what we're about.